morning. Beautiful. What's up, guys? We're back with another vlog.
The Gentile Observatories built by Maharaj.
Oh. You definitely have shown your face.
Hey guys, it's Nicole. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hey guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm vlogging in school today because school's fun and I just want to show you what my life is like. I just want to show you everything. And she's copying. Oh, you're like white now.
Now I'm allowed in the video.
By the way, I don't like black people in my video. I'm just kidding. No flipping fingers in here this school. That's like mold, dude. Like, I found a moldy almond. What is going on? What's going on?
We're gonna have an early out.
We're getting out early, by the way, so this vlog's gonna be a little short. We're getting out early.
Hello guys, it's Grant Sibley here, vlogging. Meg, you want to be in this? Can you turn this around? How do you? Hi guys, that's Johanna right there.
Ready?
Payne
Ready?
and Maggie.
No.
We're in science, about to go to lunch. We're having cheeseburgers today. Ooh,
Stop. No.
I had a double chin in that.
You're gross. Who just texted me? We got this yummy food. We got hamburguesa, apples, this chocolate milk that's in every school in America.
Some schools have better chocolate milk.
Yes.
Some schools give you chocolate milk in a bag.
Okay. We have these fries that are very crispy and fried. Just kidding. Beans that are gone because I love beans. One sec. ASMR throwback. So yeah, that's lunch. She's got the same thing except more fries, a bag of cereal and orange, water, a planner, and some more milk that's in it. She's got Coca-Cola, and she's waiting to go eat. So get over here and let her eat.
Oh God, hold on.
Ew. Spanish class. I'm vlogging today.
Wait, Grant, I have a.
Johanna.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
We're about to leave school because we got out early because of snow. So yeah.
Your face. Your laugh is so. Stop! I swear to God.
What's up, guys? So I just got home from school. I'm eating birthday cake Oreos. Highly recommended. They're really good. Right now it is snowing. We are supposed to get 3 to 6 inches of snow tonight. That's all I gotta say. It's gonna be a blizzard out there. It's snowing right now. It's supposed to snow a lot more. And I'm trying to swallow my Oreos. They're really hard to swallow when you're talking, so, yeah. But yeah, we're supposed to get 3 to 6 inches of snow. It's gonna be crazy. So, Drew's doing math. And he's cheating.
No, I'm not. She lets us do this.
Okay, sorry. My doggo. And yeah, this is a regular day when we get home early.
Can you redo that without me doing this? Because this one just may see this.
So this is a regular day at the house. It's 2:13, 21 degrees out. That is not true. It's not 21 degrees. But yeah, it is super cool outside. Like, feel this. This is already icing over. And why is our house key right there? What? Why did you just throw the house key up there? Really?
Good, you need to put it away.
No. So yeah, that's what a regular day here is like. We fight, we have a lot of fun, and yeah, it's just snowing. So I'm gonna eat something, watch a couple videos. I'm back on Musical.ly. If you want to follow me on Musical.ly, it is Grant Sibley. I think that's it. Because I am a muser, a hardcore muser. But yeah, it's what's going on, and it's pretty fun, and I hope I don't slip and fall because this is actually ice. So I just got done editing like the first part of the vlog, and I look outside, and it is freaking snowing like really intense. Look at this. Those are really big snowflakes. So hopefully there's no school tomorrow, and I can do like a different video. I was thinking to do a house tour or a room tour or a challenge. Let me know in the comments below so I can do something different, because I always do the same thing, like vlogs and stuff. So let me know something different that you want to see, and maybe I'll give it to you. I also, on my YouTube, Instagram, I usually post on my story sometimes, so I might do polls or stuff. So if you're not following me on Instagram, Grant Sib YouTube, and Grant Sibley 03, so follow me on those. So I'm going in the garage to ride the hoverboard. If you didn't know, yes, we have a hoverboard. I'm pretty good at it, if I do say so myself. Super fun. Let's crank up the music. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, Twitter, and what's the other one? Musical.ly. My Musical.ly is Grant Sibley, so make sure you follow that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, once again, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Let's get me to like 1,000 subscribers, or like 10 thumbs up. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. See you tomorrow. I will be vlogging this week, like the whole week. I hopefully. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.